Oh, yeah. Well, Ichie Akataku, the kingmaker of this land. Hereby, crown you Akachi, the king of Obelago. How dare you?
What is it? How dare you give my crown to my younger brother? Are you mad? Are you out of your mind? Are you?
Hello! Hello! Oh, no, hello. Why are you interrupting this?
What sort of question is that? Don't you ever ask me that?
You just interrupted a sacred process. What's going on? You should be civilized. You're from America, bro. What's going on?
What is wrong with you?
I am the king of Obelago, henceforth. And you all should have called me that respect. If anyone goes against my rules, then I will chop off your heads and feed the beast in the forest. Now you all, bow before me!
Oh no.
Bow!
May you leave them.
I will never bow to you. How dare you? Clissy, how dare you collect what belongs to my son? Now, give it to me. Hand that gun over to me now. Give it to me now! Give it.
Since you want to die, I will make it easy for you. Guards!
Your Highness.
Come here. Take her to her room. Tie her there until she agrees to bow before me. Now!
Just calm down. Just calm down.
Now you all listen to me. I am now your king henceforth. Now bow before me.
My goodness. What is this? Oh my God. I see. So this is what my son and I will go through if this boy returns. Oh no. Never. It will not happen. I, Ifoma, daughter of Ekikwe Okabu, will never let this happen. I wish this man agreed to die. Why would my husband refuse to die? I wish he died so that my son will become king before this his foolish late wife's son returns. I think I have to do something about it.
What is taking her now? Eh?
Don't worry, she'll soon be here. I trust her.
You must know.
Here she comes.
My elders, sorry for keeping you waiting.
Lolo, the time is upon us. It is time to take over. Fully.
Yes.
You should act fast. You say you have something for us. What is it?
My elders, you have nothing to worry about. I have put all the plans in place. Igwe will be walking past through this road. He's going to visit his late wife's grave. The rest is upon the both of you. Okay. You know what to do.
You have done well for this information. Don't worry.
Yes, I'm counting on you.
Don't worry. When we open, looking fast to the so I get I'm at the back here.
Where is my Lolo? Am I not talking to human being? Where is your queen, my wife? And of course, where is Akachi?
Your Highness, Prince Akachi has gone out.
Why?
I saw him leaving. We don't know. We don't know, Your Highness.
But I told them that we shall be visiting my late wife's grave today. And up till now, nobody's around the palace. Even an elder is not here. What is going on?
My king was sorry. Hell, my lord. I am so sorry, my darling. Sorry for keeping you.
It's okay.
Thank you, my darling.
It's all right.
Sorry, I was outside waiting for Akachi.
Okay, it's all right. It's okay. Let's go. There's no time.
Wait. I think that's a good way it was.
Why not? Do you expect me to leave the palace without my guards?
My lord, I think it's only you and I mourning your late wife. Is it not better if just both of us go and visit her this time around so that we'll just stay there with her for some time?
You know, you are correct. You are correct, my queen. You know, sometimes this is my head. It's okay. We have to get alone. Guys, you have to stay back. Just look after the house. Let me go with my lord alone.
You don't have to do this. Seriously, you don't even have to behave like this to that woman.
See,
this is unfair.
I know that what I did is not good. But that woman, I've tolerated her enough. Let me ask you, do you know how long that woman has been owing me? No, now, I've tolerated that woman enough. Do you know the most annoying part of it? Whenever I call that woman on the phone, she will keep posting me, come today, come tomorrow, my market this, my market that. What does she expect me to do? The money for my business. I have to come all the way from the city to this village to collect that money from her. What she did, is it good?
I know what she did is not good, but please, just give her more time, as you said. Just a little time. That woman we're talking about is my auntie.
For real?
Yes.
That woman is very lucky. She's very, very lucky that a pretty girl like you is interceding on her behalf. If not, that's okay. I will do exactly as you said because you're a beautiful girl.
Thank you. What is it?
What is it? What is it? Don't worry. You'll soon hear from me. What is it?
Who is she?
Don't mind her. She's nobody. She's nobody.
If you say so.
Why, Oma? Go dear. Why am I Ruby dear? As you can see that I'm always coming to see you. Since your departure from my life has not been the same. Look at your grave. I will always come to check on you because I still have you in my heart. Can't you help me?
Your Majesty, it's okay. Don't bother yourself. I will get the guards to weed this grass. It's okay.
It's all right.
It's okay.
It's all right. But let me just
Let's go home, my lord. Let's
No,
go
I want
home.
to stay a little bit. Let me just stay a little bit. Let me do something. Oh.
Stop! Leave him! Stop! Leave him! Your Majesty! Your Majesty! Somebody help! Somebody help!
Who are those people?
Lord, I don't know. Igwe, please don't die yet.
Please
Don't die.
Get help.
I'm trying.
Somebody help!
It's okay, my lord. Please don't die yet. Don't die.
Help! Somebody help!
Just go and get help.
I will get help. I will. My lord, I will.
Get help. Get help.
I will do that.
Help!
Please go and get help.
What is this girl? You're not wearing a come on the link. See, I mean that. For how many years?
But I'm sorry, now it's not my fault. And the woman was not even around.
No, it's my fault. I was the one that sent the woman to America. Eh? Now why come on the link? Madam, give me this thing.
Sorry. Brother, you won't believe what I just saw now.
What else is your job? What else is your job? Are you not the CEO of the village? You have to be seen up and down. Tell me what you saw.
Brother, I saw your almighty Tochi. I saw Tochi standing on the road, talking with another guy. If you see this guy is very fine. If I pass you, you're not even fine. Eh? If you see the way she was gisting with this guy, I'm sure that guy was toasting her. I swear.
You saw Tochi with a man?
Fine man, not just a man.
Gisting?
Gisting.
Again?
Hey. I've told you. Leave Tochi alone. Tochi is not meant for you. That girl, she's too beautiful for you. Only you cannot date her. Only you cannot date Tochi. Brother, go up again back again. You know the hear word. Eh? No, I see it. She's with another man, gisting, laughing. They are touching her, touching everything, everywhere. You are busy. Tochi will come and meet you. My pad has finished. You buy pad. My pint. I'm sure that pint they are paying for. You never see them. Your eye never see that pint.
The pint.
Now lie.
I've seen the pant.
But football pint.
I've seen the pant. I have some one that is green, some are red, some are
my
yellow.
Imagination, I do you. That one no concern me. Mom be say one school resume. You will give me my school fees and I'll go back to school. If you like, be dashing all your money.
No problem. I'll go with you.
That bread and coke.
Until the one. I'll go with you. Once the school resume, I will now give you money. Yeah, but my can about what here. Come on, don't worry. Don't you be disturbing me outside. You be disturbing me inside. No problem. Don't you again. Don't you again. In fact, how far about chicken? I don't think I can eat this thing again. Don't you has caused my stomach to quench.
Lolo, You should be happy that our plan was successful.
I am very happy. In short, I am the happiest person now. But my problem is, how do we move him out of this place? Moreover, I don't know how to announce this to the community. How do we announce this to the community? That is the problem now. Because I am going to be the prime suspect.
Lolo, relax, I am with you. I am the Ono. I am the Ono, not for the God by the gods, but for the gods and the people. Yes. Yeah. You know what will happen? As it stands now, send the guards. In fact, tell the guards that Igwe was attacked. Yes. Then tell them to go and call the elders. Tell the guards to take Igwe to the room where no one will enter apart from the guards. Until after today. The date will be announced.
I'm a bit relieved. That is what you are going to do. Hi. Thank you so much.
Check. I hope it's totally gone. I can see him breathing.
No.
Can you come?
Baby. Stop using your finger. I've told you to mind the way you behave. Mind the way you behave. You're a prince.
Oh, the food is delicious now. I'm just picking my teeth.
Thank you. I'll be coming to the palace to prepare this for you as the queen of this land.
I can't wait. I can't wait. I can't wait for you to officially become the queen so that I don't have to come here to eat. You'll be preparing all this in my palace.
No. You have not yet paid my bride price. Yes. You need to come and do the needful. Do the right thing. I don't even know what you're waiting for. I don't know what you're waiting for.
You know I've always wanted to come and pay your bride price. But my mom keeps telling me to chill. She said I should wait for some time. I will pay your bride price, okay?
Every time you'll be doing what your mother said. What is it? Iburawo, are you not a man? Is this how we are going to rule this kingdom when you finally become the king? Every time my mother said. Be a man for once.
Why as the children obey your parents? I'm just obeying my mom now.
Hey.
Relax. Relax. Now let me change. Should I disobey my mother?
My prince, the queen wants to see you at the palace now. It's very, very urgent.
Anytime I'm spending quality time with my woman, the queen will send for me. What's all this now? Why is she calling me?
I think there's a very big problem at the palace now.
Problem?
Hey, baby, rush. There's a
my
problem.
Love. I'll see you later.
I'm gonna rush. Walk like a prince, so stop walking like that. Walk well.
This is a sacrament, and we must get to root of it.
Nze, you are right. Who could have done this to us? Who?
Nkutaro. The land of Obelago must fight back. Those boys must be apprehended. They must be brought to book. Okay, Niti? Kill our king.
Elders, what do we do next?
My elders, I want to make something clear. The death of my father will never go unchallenged. I will fight till the end of this matter. That I promise you all.
Let me quickly say this to everyone here. No one should tell any of the villagers. The death of Igwe shall remain a secret until after today, till official announcement by me. Inform the maidens and the guards.
Igwe Bodani.
What? How did it happen? Sister, I don't know. But I saw Papa, other elders, and the guard. They carried Igwe to the palace. From the look of things, sister,
I think the Igwe is dead.
Hey!
What could have happened to him? I don't know. Hey! Wow. Could it be it's my time to become the queen of this land? Hey, Joy. Joy, your sister, will soon be the queen. Hey! Chim, 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 chim. Hey! Sister, I just told you something. Now, what is more important to you? Is it becoming a queen or about the king I just told you about now? I don't understand. Omuburia. Mba Omuburia. It's not even confirmed yet. Hey! Sister? Yes, so it is important to me. The death of the king will make his son become the king. Eh? It will make him to be the king. And I, Brenda, will become the queen. Will become the queen of this land. Can't you see that? I only care about myself. I don't care about the king. I don't care. I can see that. Do I look like someone that cares?
The Lord.
Aye!
The Odibeze. Chai! The Oriaku no Doziako.
Aye! To be
Brenda Okochebe.
Oh!
One! No Berago Kingdom.
Aye!
Oh, no. You are so beautiful.
But sister, this is not fair. I'm saying the truth. It's not fair.
Fly away.
Go.
Fly away. Fly away.
Look at how I know here.
What is wrong with this baby?
Can you imagine this idiot?
No, what is going on?
Eh? Can you imagine? I was here with Akachio.
Okay.
When one of the guards ran in here and called Akachi that there is fire in the mountain, there is problem in the palace. Eh? And now my sister came back and she told me that she saw some elders with my father carrying the Igwe body. It's like the Igwe is dead. Hey! The Igwe is dead. I don't know how you felt, well. Hey! Let me cry. Cry for what? Eh? No,
you don't need to cry.
Jukwamo. Can you imagine?
My Lolo, my queen, my Odubeze, Ini Edo, hey! Let him now.
I'll be the queen.
Chai, I am still not convinced. I don't believe this is happening.
No. Elders, what do we do? Eh? We have cried enough. Let's start thinking of next plan and stop all this, I don't understand. We should stop going backward.
My elders, whoever that did this to our king must not go scot-free.
You say, I don't know.
Let's not go into details of what killed our king. This is not the first time he visited his late wife's grave. All we should be talking about now is why the guards didn't go with him. Yes.
Actually, you are right. How come he didn't go with the guards? Unowu, you and Ume were the people that usually go with him. So how come you did not go with him now?
Are we guards?
See, yes, you ask question. Yes, I was late. Before I could reach there, he had already gone. My question is, why didn't he go with the guards? Why?
Elders, what we should be talking about now is next plan. Igwe is dead. He only decided to go alone today. So we don't know.
Oh.
Eh? Let us all go home. Sleep, rest, eat, drink. And we talk about the next plan.
The next plan, the way forward.
Let us stop all this Igwe. We should go with guard or no guard. Are we guards?
Is that all you have to say?
If you want to go with him, go and go with him then. I don't understand.
I can't believe
Igwe is dead, Igwe is dead. Do you want to go with him? I don't understand.
Why didn't he go with the guards?
Mom, what are you saying?
You need to be brave. It's time for you to comport yourself
as the prince and king to be.
Mama is saying I should focus on becoming king more than looking for what killed my father.
What are you looking for? What will you do with what killed your father? Your main concern should be you becoming the king. I want to see that crown on your head. I heard that your stepbrother will be returning. And I would love you to have that crown on your head before his arrival. I wouldn't want you to drag that crown with anybody. I had a terrible nightmare. I was shown how he is going to treat us. Paraventure, he becomes the king.
Trust me, Americana has no business around this vicinity. If he comes back here, I will kill him myself. I don't even feel American.
You want to go?
Alright, man. I got you. I got you.
My daughter.
Yes, Papa.
Are you sure of what you are telling me?
Papa, it was the Lolo that asked the Igwe not to go with the guards, and the Igwe agreed.
Oh. So it was the Lolo's plan for the Igwe to go alone. I see.
Papa, see, I suspect a foul play. I saw the Lolo sneaking out of the palace, and when I saw her, she said she was going to check something.
What?
Yes, it took her quite a long time to come. When the Igwe was about to go to the graveside, she came and she said she wanted to check on their son. I'm telling you.
What?
Yes.
You see, my daughter, you have to go now. Please, you will do me a favor. Wash out. Just look around. Whatever that is going on, let me know. But please, do not let anyone know that you came to see me.
Yes, Papa.
Do you understand?
Yes, Papa.
Oh, please go.
Okay, Papa. Papa, take care of yourself. Yes. Papa, take care of yourself.
What could be the plans of the queen? Whatever it is, I must find out.
Greediness and wickedness is bad. It will always lead you to doom.
It's okay. Put yourself together. That's how we saw it.
How could this happen? Who could have done this?
It's alright. Put yourself. Calm down, please. Do not cry. Princess, don't cry outside. Let's go inside. Let's go in. Let's go. Let's go inside. What about the box?
It's inside.
My darling, it's okay. Stop crying. Okay? Everything will be alright.
Hey! Foolish prince! Hey! So if I had allowed this guy now, he will flog me with his belt. So if I had allowed you now, you will remove that your belt and start flogging me. Wait. Choma, what is wrong with you? Why are you talking to yourself? Are you okay? I'm not okay. What is wrong? Is it not that Prince Akachi? Because of Brenda, he removed his belt and crown and wanted to flog me. Can you imagine? Because I refused to acknowledge Brenda as queen.
But Brenda is not yet queen.
If we go near now,
If you go near him, I don't know. So because he wants to marry Brenda now, I should see her anywhere and then prostrate and start calling her queen. No, maybe next time if I see her, I'll be moving around with rapper so that when next I see her, I'll just put it on the ground and then I'll lie down and call her queen.
Choma, wait, just calm down. Are you sure this thing you are saying now is true?
But what kind of question is this now?
I'm just...
Didn't you see me running from all the way? If I had not run, he would have just flogged me without belt. But no problem. I am leaving. Let me go.
Wait. If this is true, yeah? If this is really, really true, that means, he did not deserve to be our king. Okay. Imagine if he's our king. We all will be in trouble. We'll be fighting in the public. We'll be fighting everywhere. Everywhere you come, you'll be fighting.
That prince, I don't have anything to say to you.
But wait,
No, let me just...
Choma, wait now. Wait.
Who would have done this to my father? Who would have killed the Igwe?
It's okay, my daughter. Don't cry. It's devil's handwork.
Mom, there is no devil's work in this. What devil? I need to get to the root of this. I need to find out who killed my father.
Listen, sis. So you think if you find out the killers of our father, you can kill them? Listen, relax. These people must be bigger than you, so chill, okay? Take a chill pill.
Akachi, I should chill. How could you even say that? I mean, how are you both even so quiet about this, Mom?
You're talking as if you don't trust your mother again. Don't you know me again? Relax. Definitely, I will get to the root of all this. The people that killed your father will never go unpunished. It is not something that you start shouting. Please, just calm down. Leave everything for me.
Mom, I honestly don't know what both of you are talking about. But I, Ruth, would get to the root of this.
Listen, sis. This battle is bigger. Relax. We'll get to the root of this.
It's unbelievable.
Make this girl no cast also. Make she no cast also.
She will not do anything. Else I will be forced to keep her where your father is.
No, now. It be a clean up. Don't do that.
Greetings. My princess, you called us. I need to know what happened during the visit to my father's late wife's grave.
My princess, we didn't go with him. He went alone with Lolo.
Even the guards?
Yes, my princess.
How? And why? What is your duty in this palace? Who gave such order? Could you all please answer me?
What is going on here?
What are you doing?
Mom, can you please leave me alone? Can you please leave me alone? I mean, for crying out loud, I am studying criminology in school. I mean, how else do you expect me to investigate my father's death?
But you mean you assembled the palace workers and interrogate them on your father's death? While I told you that I'm going to get to the roots of everything. Get inside now so that when I enter there, we'll talk. Move!
Mom, I just found out now that father went alone. None of the guards nor the maids were with him. Why?
All of you, just leave. Okay. Let's go inside and talk before I'll get mad at you.
You want to get mad at me? You want to get mad at me because I want to investigate the death of my father, your husband.
Ruth, there is an adage that said that when a child is not old enough to find out what killed his father, that same thing that killed his father will also kill him. I am your mother. Ruth, I gave birth to you. I told you to relax that I am on it. You have a brother who is also doing his best to find out what happened to your father. Now will you go inside so that we will sit down and talk about it? Get inside.
Ruth! Don't like this. I don't.
I think something is wrong.
Me too. Me too. Why will the queen try to stop Princess Ruth from finding out what killed the king?
If I'm in her shoes, I will find that as well. Something is wrong somewhere.
What do you think is wrong? I think the queen just wants to find out herself.
No. If not, she should have supported Princess Ruth's moves. But let's not be what I'm thinking. No. Let it not be.
What are you thinking?
We must see an end of all this. I heard the son of the first queen is coming back. That one that has been in America for a very long time. I can't wait to see him.
I heard he's coming back too. He's coming back for them to drag the throne.
Oh, that is
war.
Hey!
Let me go back to my
Where people going to now?
I'm here. Yeah. Sit down. What's your problem? Have you gone bananas? What's your problem? Mom told you something and you're trying to ignore it. Are you sick?
What did I do wrong? Mom! Shut up! Shut your mouth!
The message is simple. Calm down.
Have you got out of your mind? What is wrong with you?
Oh, you think you come back from nowhere to spoil things for us? Can't you calm down and listen to us?
Tell you should calm down. Calm down.
Do you hear me? I am your mother. It's my husband they're talking about here. I will go to the root of what happened to my husband. Even your brother here is trying his best. Why can't you come down and listen to us? Or you will start making noise so that they will know that we are tracking them. And they will do more harm to us.
Then let us investigate it. Let us trace it. Let's look into it.
Are you the police? Calm down. You are trying more than the bereaved. The man in question is also my father. Her husband. Why are you behaving as if you are the only person hurt here? Calm down. Listen to us. Calm down.
We are your family. We are doing something.
Mom, so that's why you slapped me.
And I will slap you again.
Okay.
Ruth, I can see that something is wrong with
you. Oh, we go, please. We need to pull off that thing on our head.
She just pass marker. What do you go again? What rubbish? Don't mind her. She will not do anything. Yes. Never mind her. If she try anything stupid, I will send her where your father is. Instead of us to focus, my own concern now is on you becoming the king. Because that thing I saw in that nightmare, I will not allow it to come to pass.
Where is the crown and the father's throne? I'm asking you, where is the crown, Akachi?
I took it. The crown is mine.
What? Akachi, the crown is not yours. Go and give it to him.
Who asked you to talk? Who asked you to talk? Are you not supposed to shut up when men are talking?
How dare you eat happy food? You okay?
Oh, you want to fight? You want to fight?
Clinton!
Come outside.
Akachi!
No, you want to fight? Come outside.
Clinton, what is wrong with you?
I'm going to end up. Never.
I will deal with you. Mother, stop this! I will deal with you.
You want to fight me,
right? Hey!
Oh, yeah. Fight.
You okay?
Fight me. Fight me now.
Is it me that you are carrying weapons?
Open this thing. Open this thing.
Here.
Bring it down.
I don't need it.
Oh, yeah.
I don't need it. Hey, if you're man enough.
Fight me now.
If you're man enough.
Touch me again.
Keep this and let us do it man to man.
No, I don't talk about touch me again now.
I said, if you are man enough.
Touch me now. I can't beg you.
Keep this weapon. Let's fight.
Touch me now. I can't beg you. See.
Keep it.
Nonsense.
Let's do it man to man.
Touch me now. Nonsense. Even if I give this knife, what will you do? What will you do?
Are you afraid?
What?
Akachi, can you just stop?
Akachi, go for me. I don't want
Clinton, when you see that thing you are looking for, you will see it in this palace. Imamola!
You mad?
Hey! Akachi, you like Imam?
How dare you?
Chineke me!
Slapped you.
Give it to me.
Akachi Imamola! Hey! Akachi, can you stop it?
If you dare, I'll kill you here and feed your body to the vultures.
You will egbe. You will egbe. I'm like a problem. Go on, Abi. No problem. Let me call my friend.
No, come!
Let me call my friend.
Come and fight! You.
Clinton, please.
Hey, shut! Talk to your son. Talk to him to bring that crown right now. Get out.
What is going on? What kind of nightmare is this? Why am I always seeing this boy in my dream? Oh, is that what we are going to face peradventure he returns to this kingdom? I don't need anybody to tell me that there is fire on the mountain. I have to do something before it's too late. Yes. My God. I wish I can send him a plane crash so that he will just die once without getting into this kingdom. Oh God, distance. I wish he... Oh God. I think hired assassin would have been the best thing to do a very clean job for me. My princess, what is it? I am waiting for your brother. He has been outside. And the elders are here waiting for the meeting.
Where could he have gone to? Can't you send one of the guards to go look for him?
I've done that already, but the guard is not yet back. I don't know if I should go and look for him myself.
You don't need to, okay? Just calm down. He'll soon be here. And, Mom, I just found a new lead on the case and...
Shut up! Ruth, what is wrong with you? Are you sure you are okay? Mom. Because the way I am looking at you, it's like something is wrong with you. What lead are you talking about? Eh? We are here talking on how to have a serious meeting on the matter on the ground. We are talking about lead. What lead? What do you mean by lead, JP? Is something wrong with you? If you dare open your mouth to say that again, I will give you a dirty slap now.
No.
We are planning on how to settle important matter. You are here talking about lead.
No. What is keeping the place? The others, they are worried. What is it? What is going on?
Ichie, please, just calm down. He has been outside. I've been here waiting for him. Please, calm the elders down. We'll soon be with them. I think I should go and look for him myself.
No. You can't do that. Send the gas.
I've done that already. I've done that.
No, you can't go. You can't go. You cannot go.
You are not. My prince.
Let those who are angry that I'm going to become the queen of this kingdom. Let them die in their anger. Bam. Let them die.
She's fighting on a show. What? Serious fight. How? Very fight. Where? I saw them on the road. I got over from the market. Very heavy fight, oh! I said Akachi is fighting all on shit. Akachi in Gebrez. It's not fighting. Hey! From up! Bam! Yeah! Wake up. Just come. Jesus! Akachi! Hey, Akachi, stop now! Akachi, stop! Akachi, stop fighting! Hey! Akachi, stop fighting! Akachi, now! Hey! Akachi, you will break somebody's leg, oh! You will break somebody's leg, Akachi! Akachi, please now! Hey, what's going on? Hey! Fight start! Fight start! Hey! You can't be fighting me. You can stupid man like you. Oluchi, please. Oluchi, you're a very stupid person. Okay. You're a very stupid person. Let you go me. Put yourself. You get to me. You won't yalla. Okay. Please, let me tell you. You are not going to be king in this village. Eh? You are not going to be queen of it. You are still talking. You are still there. Kill him. Kill him for me. Kill him. Please leave him. I said kill him. Hey! Akachi!
What's all this? How long are we going to wait for this boy? He knows we have a meeting this morning.
Let's wait. He will soon be here.
For how long? For how long are we going to wait? Is this how he's going to be the king? I doubt.
Do you know your problem? It's impatient. You don't have patience. Let me tell you, this boy you are talking about is our king in waiting. If you cannot wait for him until he comes, you people can go. You can do the meeting without both of you. It will not happen. Never.
Okay. Then you have to calm down and wait.
You have to wait.
Mom.
Akachi, what is this? What's happened to you?
You see that idiot called Onochie? I will kill him. He does not believe in my government. He's challenging me in this village. I will kill him.
What's happened? Did you fight with him?
Fight with you. I beat him now. I cannot be fighting with that idiot.
Mom, I was so ashamed of myself today. Eh? What is all this? How can Akachi be fighting on the road? I was at home. When my sister came to tell me that she saw Akachi fighting on the road. Eh? A crown prince to be, a crown king to be. You are fighting on the road with that stupid, foolish man called Onochie. How?
So because I'm a king to be, I should not fight.
Shut up!
Can you imagine?
Akachi, hey, why? Are you not ashamed of yourself? A prince like you, a king to be, fighting on the road. Oh, you were there fighting while the elders are here waiting for you for the meeting.
Mom, just look at his body now.
We have something at hand. Eh?
He has forgotten.
So you go that nog. I told this idiot to kill that boy.
Just go that choir. Look at look at you talking
to help me kill that boy. Kneel down there. Kneel down there. You'll be there at 7.
Get inside there and change your clothes. Will you go inside and change your clothes?
Look at how he stained all his clothes. Eh? How can a crown prince to be fighting on the road? Mom, you see what I'm talking about?
What did I do? I was fighting the guy. Huh? Yeah. This kind of prince.
How you doing? Where are you going to? And why are you talking to yourself again?
See, it's good I see you now. It's good I see you now.
What is it?
Dochi, I am on my way to your house. Before I met and I encountered that nonsense Seleboga that called himself Prince Akachi, and we entered into a fight. It was in your house that I was going to. And it was the anger in me because of you that made me to I descended on him. So, listen to me. what I want to tell you now, if not because of you, I wouldn't have fought him.
Hey, I'm not sure you fought the prince. See, yeah, I said you are stubborn. Why are you so stubborn? Do you know what you've done? You fought the prince.
Or say that I'm stubborn.
Hi.
You said I'm stubborn.
You are.
See, let me tell you. In fact, let me come. It's over between us. Easy. So I was going to your house to inform you that it's over between us. I am tired of disturbing you for you to be my girl. I'm my girl because my girl. Don't be my girl again. I'm tired. I don't trust him. I chose him. Just check out give. You know all the money that I have given to you as a man that was asking you out.
Hey.
Go and cut all those money and give me back. I'll pay my movement today. Now, go and check all the money that I have given to you since you belong to or you have it by force. Go and check all the money and count them and give it back to me. That is my movement for today, and they must give it to me today.
See, Onochie, you know, I used to tell you that you are very, very stubborn. Now, I even realized that you are, in fact, you are stupid. You are very, very foolish as well.
You see?
You are foolish.
Or see?
Which one is that I should give money?
That I am foolish. Me, Onochie is very foolish.
You are stupid. You are foolish. You are a stupid person.
It's alright. I'll go with people. But today, let me see how you are going to pass this place if you don't give me my money here.
Let me ask you something. So if I give you the money now, are you going to pay me back the time I wasted with you?
You see?
Yes.
Who is talking about wasted time here? Can you imagine? You and I, who should be talking about wasted time? Will you go stand there? Do you know that by now, all the money I have spent on you, as you go to another school? Another school. By now, my son, my daughter with you is supposed to be in another school, and I'll be wasting my time. And you are here talking about me, talking about wasted time. Well, let me see how you will pass here. If you start giving me that money now.
Onoche, please. I don't have your time. Don't even start with me now.
Will you stand here? Come on, will you give me money? Let me see how you are going to leave this place now. Let me see how you will leave this place now.
Onoche, please. I don't have your time now. Don't even start with me. What is your problem?
Come and go now. Let me
What is your problem now? Stop.
Come and pass now.
Please, just let me be. Don't disturb.
Come and pass now. Let me see you.
Hi. I'm tired of Akachu. I don't know what to talk about him anymore. I am tired.
Does it mean that royalty doesn't fit Akachi? How can he be fighting with a common man like Onochie? How? I have been thinking about this. Like, Onahabar is in easy. That is why I came here to see you. I've been thinking about it. Onochie kwa. Just see how he stained his royal regalia. Is this how we're going to rule the kingdom together? You know what? Just to go to calm down, don't worry. He is going to change. He is going to change. That is why he has you in his life. Only the change because in no distance time he is going to be the king of this kingdom. So only the packaging. Only the barrier very important. It pains me. I'm telling you the honest truth. But I'm happy that the fact that I told him how I love men that has packaging. I like men that has packaging. It's just that I want to be a queen by all means. If not, all this nonsense that he's doing, I'll just leave him, Like I said, just calm down. He is going to change. Because me like this, I don't want anything to happen between you and the queenship of this kingdom. You are going to be the queen. Can you imagine? Yeah. The common man. Commoner. Yeah.
What are you here for? What are you here for? As you know me, you man, I don't have shame. You will not leave this place today until you give me all the money that I have given to you.
What is your problem?
Let me go. As you let me go. Let me see how you are going to leave this place today.
Okay. No problem.
You must give me back all the money that I have given to you.
You want me to give you your money?
You must give it to me.
Oh yeah, follow me to him. Just follow me to my house, Onochi. After all, you don't give me the money here, so follow me to my house. Let me go and give you the money.
Oh, you think? Look at this one.
Yes, now.
You think you have a say here? You think you have an option? See, let me tell you. Nobody is here. Nobody is here. I will naked you. You know you don't wear pants, you don't wear braces. You don't wear pants, you don't wear braces. I will naked you here. Nothing will happen. Nothing will happen. I will naked you here now. No man for your nipple. What's me for now?
Onochi,
Try
I
and leave
caused the day I met you. I caused that day. I regret the day I stood with you talking about love. Hi! Onochi, you are very, very stupid.
Eh?
You are very, very foolish.
Eh?
You are a he-goat.
Jesus.
You are nothing.
Jesus.
You are nothing. You are nobody.
With my money. You took my money and you called me a he-goat. Hey.
I'm so fat. Onochi, that is what you are.
Hey.
You are a he-goat. You
are
nothing. You are nobody.
Are you with us?
Hey,
are you with us? Angel Michael.
Of course.
Are you seeing this?
Of
Angel Raphael.
Come and see. Onochi is a he-goat.
Angel Zachariah.
You are a he-goat.
Angel Antus.
Imagine. That is what you are. You are a he-goat. Onochi, leave me alone. Onochi, leave me.
See, if you like blind, you must get up from there. The only thing that will make you see is that you see now. See my money, I give it back to me. Else, I will slap you silly bugger.
It will not happen. I will never let this happen. We must wait for the arrival of Prince Clinton. He is the Igwe's first son. He is the crown prince. We will never crown Prince Akashi our king.
Will you shut that your mouth if you don't have more to say?
Oh no, I won't shut up. I won't.
Shut that your mouth. No, you be able to knock at a knife. Not by your own.
No, don't shut him. Don't shut him. He's right. How long have we been waiting for Akachi, you want to be our king, before he came? Eh? People are talking nonsense. Two of you, Achuzie and Inze, you are talking nonsense. Rubbish! Whether you like it or not, Akachi will be our king. And nothing you can do about it.
Let me see.
Let me help you, Elder. You bleached Elder. What's his name? Now my phone out, I don't care. Both of you should not annoy me today. Like on a serious note, both of you should not get me angry today. If you have nothing important to say, shut up.
Go and sit down. You are a small boy. After the last Opala, we must wait for him to come back. After all, before the death of Igwe, he told us that Clinton must come back. So we must wait, or else we will not have a king. So your plan is for we to wait for a boy that have lived all his life in America to come and become our king. Tomorrow, I'll be chill. As well as them say hi, as well as you know who hi. It will not happen.
Call me a small boy in my house. Okay, let me show you what a small boy can do. Now get out of this place.
You lie. I don't know, Paula. Get out. Get out. Get out.
Biko, calm down. I got you. Now you at the table, no, not Biko.
Biko. Down.
Hey, Sochi, what is going on? What happened? Onochi, it's me. I cannot see again. Who is it?
Onochi,
who are you?
Onochi Mesugaka, why? What did you do to him?
He's trying to give him all the money he gave. Oh God, he's trying to give him all the money.
Onochi is a disgrace. You know what? Let's leave all this stuff. Just stand up. Let me take you to the pharmacy. Stand up. Just stand up.
I can't see.
Just stand up. Sorry. Linia.
Where?
Sorry.
Where?
Oh. Here. Can you just put your leg? Oh, here. I'm okay. I'm okay. Sorry. Hi.
I see you here next time. I will help you. Are you sick? Animal. Give me that cake. Be careful. Enemies of progress. Be careful. If you go against me, I will behead you.
Behead us?
Yes.
Okay, we will go. But mark my word, we will not crown you king unless Clinton did not come back.
Shut up your mouth. He asked you to go. Look at him. Palm wine tapper.
Be careful, especially you. Be careful. Maybe you see. I both of you should leave this place. Leave this place.
Stop this. It's my son. It's okay. Butu.
Huh?
It's okay. Please give this.
How dare you go against me?
It's okay. Give it this. Elders, why are you against my son?
Look at who wants to be a king. Father, chasing us cabinet members from the palace. Let's see how you will accomplish this without us.
Let you know now. Balance secretary. Grab one up.
Let them go. Mama, go inside.
Mama, what you ever?
Let us go inside. Yala.
Those who around. Balance secretary.
Ichie. Ruth!
Don't forget.
You will see. Let me see how that will happen. I will allow the whole community. You will see to it.
I will seize the palace book. Let me see how they will achieve this.
Ichie, what happened? You both are leaving. Why?
Didn't you see? Didn't you see how your brother chased us out from the palace? Elders like us, cabinet members.
Ichie, I am really sorry, Biko. I am so sorry. You know I just got back and I don't really know what is going on. Can you please explain to me?
They are angry with us just because we said the truth. The Igwe was murdered. Yes. And they don't want us to do anything. All they wanted was for your brother to become the king without going through the normal process. But we said no. Yes, we said no. That will not happen. Because the Igwe told us that your stepbrother will come to reclaim the throne.
Really?
Yes.
Really? You know, I'm very sorry. I am so sorry, Chie. I don't even know what is going on. My mother doesn't want me to investigate the death of the king.
What?
Yes.
She don't want you to do that?
Exactly, and I am so confused.
My princess, you know what? There are a lot happening in the palace. And you need to know this. The time for you to know it is now. Yes.
Ichie, please. I will stop by at your house this evening. Is it okay?
If you say Let's go.
I'm so sorry, please.
Thank you.
Don't cover the truth.
Hey! Who did this to you?
He's on my chair. Onoche punched me in my eye.
Easy, Biko, no, so easy.
Onoche punched me in my eye.
This is bad though. Very bad.
Hey!
I can't handle it.
What?
I can't handle it. It's beyond me. I will just give her drugs to ease the pain. We will take her to the hospital.
Hey,
sorry. Yeah? Is this all okay?
Auntie Nurse, come on, me nurse. What do we do now? What do we do?
Take her to the hospital right now. Else she will go blind.
Hospital.
Hey! Let doctor take care of her.
Oh no, Chie.
No, Chie must be very stupid. Find girl like her. Hey!
You know what, Auntie Nurse, just bring medicine for her. Medicine so she can, the thing can ease the pain. Why yo?
No, my father is
in the
house. Take me home.
I'll go and get the drugs,
Get the drugs. Sorry.
Hey, what have I done?
Just calm down, Tochi.
My elders, please, whatever we have to do, let us do it fast. We don't have time anymore.
Lolo, you must talk to Akachi to control his temper. Those two elders, We need them. Especially Achuzie. We cannot do without him.
Okay. Have you heard him? Please calm down. You have to be careful with whatever you are doing now. You know what is at stake. We need to achieve our target though.
Those elders are annoying. Well, let me just tolerate them because of our target. I can meet them and apologize for formality's sake, just to bring them back on track. So where am I supposed to see them and say I'm sorry?
Yes, you have to go to Achuze's house the first thing tomorrow morning and beg him. So that he can come back and join us to start planning. We have to crown you before Clinton returns. If not, you will be forced to that throne with him.
Yeah, but on the second hand, we don't have cash at hand for coronation and all that. How are we supposed to pull this over?
Yes, my elders. You know we don't have money. If we do not have money.
In that case, we have to sell one of his land.
His kinsmen will not agree. We are having a meeting. You have to go.
I don't understand, Mom. Am I not part of this family? Can't I join the meeting?
You cannot. Go to your room and wait.
Mom, why can't I join the meeting?
Why are you challenging Mom? Must you argue? Obey before complain. Excuse us.
Go to your room and wait. Did you hear me?
Princess, we are already done. There is no need to join us. By the way, where have you been?
Go now, you two do. Go. If I say, go. Excuse you. What with us?
Brother, you know I'm not you. Brother, you ego lanti agamata. You not today. Ego agameta. Brother, do you know that the king just died? Eh? Did you know that the king just died?
Am I the one that killed the king?
Are you the one that killed the king?
Am I the one that killed the king? If he doesn't like to know how to die, let him die again. Yes, now. If the king doesn't know how to die, let him die well.
Brother, the king just died and you went ahead to fight the son. Eh? Knowing full well he will be the next king of this kingdom. Oh.
And so?
Brother?
No, and so?
Once he becomes the king, he will start tormenting you.
He cannot try it.
Pupe.
He no fit try. For what? Because he's a prince. If I see him, because he's a prince, anytime I see him on the road, I should jump on top of a roof. Because he's a prince.
Yes.
When he becomes a king, everybody will be putting themselves inside the grave. Because he's a prince, I will not try it. Let him come, I will give it back to him. I'm a man like him. You see, I will slap him silly. Nonsense, silly bugger.
But you will fight him again.
I will fight him again. That is true.
Hey, brother, let me ask you, what did Tochi do to you?
Tochi? Leave that one. Leave that one. That one, her case is open.
Her case is
open. What I did to her is a chicken chain to compare what is coming to her again if she did not give me my money. What I did to her will show her that I'm no longer interested in her love. Okay. I don't care about love now. What I care is the hate. I have told her that I'm no longer interested in her love. Let her go with her love. I go. Now, where have you been now? Now, what about on the linker? Let me go. Try to be steady now. So that I talk careful again. So you advise me on what to do. You know how by it's up and down.
Nah, I went to Amokwe. Amokwe. Uche, what did you do to Tochi?
Tochi? This one everybody is asking me about Tochi. It's like he's in the news. See, let me tell you. You see that girl? What I did to her is a chingom to compare to what I would do to her later. You should not give me my money. I know the one that said you saw her with a boy kissing. They are doing. I know the one that said I should take back all the things I gave to her. So can you go? If you talk this side, you talk this side. Stay one place now.
I did not tell you to do what you did to her.
What did I do to her? I just beat her like a child.
Tochi is no longer seen with one eye. Yes. I even tried to perform miracle. I did like this. I did like Tochi. She cannot see with one eye.
Tochi is no longer seen.
Brother? What did I just say?
You heard him. Ha. You heard what he said. That is what I did.
But you could touch her.
Imi. Caterpillar Nimi. See, let me tell you. That girl should try and see you. That girl should try and see you. Even if she's blind, that she should try and see you because she need to see my money. The only thing she will use that eye to see is my money. Once she see that my money, she will take it and give me back. Else, you said the one is open. I will. You see the other one? She must go blind if she don't give me my money. Who cares about love? I'm no longer interested in her love. Give her Jay. Yes. Huh? So
brother,
I'm talking now two ways now.
No chana tochi. Anu tochi. Ikubola tochi anya. Anu tochi. You must marry Tochi.
Auntie the one. Look at you. Auntie, go and marry her for me.
Who is talking about marriage here? See police, oh.
They will come and carry you.
Police.
They will come and carry you.
Let police come. If they are coming with the police, they should come with my money. All the money I have given to Tochi, I can calculate it. She should come with the money so that I can use it and pay myself. I don't talk finish. Huh? What is all this? My money will not be interested. You are not the one that said I've been giving her money. You are here saying I should go and collect. What are you confusing me? Why are you confusing me? Issue?
Mom, please don't tell me that. Do not tell me that. I am not a kid. What do you mean that I'm not fit to be in the meeting about how this palace will move forward?
Hey, you're a woman. Stop talking to Amora in that manner, else I will deal with you.
You will deal with me?
Yes.
Akachi, try it. Try it! Oh, you want to slap me again? Look, if you try that next time, I'll stab you. You said you would slap your brother. You stab him? Oh, stab me first! Ruth, stab me! Stab me! Mom, go ahead. That is what you are used to. Go ahead and beat me. I think I know what's going on now. I know what is going on. You see the secret the both of you are hiding? I, Ruth, will uncover it. That secret, I will uncover it. I will show the both of you that I'm studying criminology in school. What is all this? Get out. Get out. Get out. They are insoluble. What do we call this?
She's not worth it. Just relax.
Your Majesty. My darling, you're welcome. Is there any problem? Nothing at all. You're welcome. Thank you. Please sit down. But why did she look like that? The princess. It's okay, there's no problem.
Sit down.
Sit. Akachi.
Sit down.
My darling, sit down. You're shouting on me. It's okay. Akachi. Yeah?
Brother, Ezewan told you to go and take the money you gave her, and you did. Eh, brother? Who told you that you can take back the money that you gave a woman when toasting her? But I'm not joking. Give Ibachi Monkiti. You will give a woman money and you still go ahead and collect the money back.
It is possible.
It's not possible.
It is possible. Even if it's not possible, it's somebody that makes impossible things to be possible. I will make it to be possible. Because if they said if you don't want to be with me, no problem. Then you don't collect my money. You give me my money back. Yes, it's not right for a woman to be following a man without giving the man this thing, without agreeing with the man, and be taking the man's money. It's not dumb. So let her give me my money back. If you reject Satan, reject anything that comes from Satan. Okay, say me. Udachia.
Oh, you kokoya. That's why you went ahead and beat her up.
I tell me a powder. I'm a waffle.
But I ain't even want to do. Eh?
See, let me tell you. Tell her to bring my money. Let her bring my money.
Must you beat her?
I must beat her. I must beat her. Where is her brother?
Ichi, calm down. Ichi, calm down. No. Eh? Ichi.
Where is your brother?
Ichi.
Understand? You think you can run? Let me tell you, you can run, but you cannot hide, oh. Eh?
Ichi, calm down. Ichi, what?
Understand? I want you to come out right now, so that both of us will use our back to ride it on the ground. Eh?
Ichi, what happened now?
almost blinded my daughter.
Huh? Hey, how serious it is? How bad?
I want to revenge.
Hey.
Well, you can go to my house now. You will see my daughter there. But they are about going to the hospital. Well, if my daughter gets blind, on a chair, if you hear me loud and clear. But if you don't hear me, deliver the message to him. Let him get ready for the music I'm going to play for him. And he must dance to it. Do I make myself clear? Do I make myself clear?
Yes. Please, now calm down.
Onache, I'm coming back. I'm coming back, oh!
Iche.
Don't call me.
Iche, don't play any music, oh. Onache! Brother! Iche! What? Kebono. Onache! You're asking me. Has he gone?
I heard him saying he was going to write 8 on the ground. So this man did not go to nursing school. This man did not attend nursing school. Let him come back again. Let him come back because I was running because he's an elderly man. No? I ran because he's an elderly man. I have contracts here. I'll go and sharpen it. He said he's going to write 8 on the ground. He did not attend nursing school. He want to use me to learn how to write 8.
Let me tell you, he said he's going to come back. He will come back for you.
Let him come back now. Why did he leave?
Why did you run?
He shouldn't have left now.
Why did you run?
Let him go and come back again. You see the way he left now. He will not go like that next time. The way he left now, he will not go like that next time. I don't care because he's an old man. I have contracts. For elderly people. I have contracts for elderly people here. I'll go and sharpen it. Go and close. Why did you leave that gate open?
Brother, let me tell you something. You must marry that girl. You are going to marry her. Yes. You are going to marry. You beat Abby.
I must marry her.
Yes, you must marry her.
Are you the owner of this song you are singing? Are you the original owner of this song you are singing? You are going to marry her. Is that your final answer? But I'm going to close this gate. I don't know why everybody is entering this compound as if this place is a palace. If people want to give me kingship, give me kingship. So that everybody can be entering. Go and lock that small gate. Go now. Let him come again. Can you imagine? Because people are elderly people, they will be doing anyhow. Carry cutlass to come and challenge me. Let him not try it again. No. I have cutlass to elderly people here. I will use it on him. In fact, go out. You can go there from there. Tell the daughter to make sure that she finds my money. Else, that her eyes will not come. No problem. Let me go and find my cutlass and sharpen it.
Is that why she's angry?
My sister is against us. She doesn't want me to become king while you become queen.
But to not work for her.
Amen.
To not work for her. But that's not why I'm here. I came for us to talk on how you behave. Akachi, you don't know how to carry yourself. To be royalty is a big deal. You don't even have atom of packaging in you. You don't even know how to carry yourself. You need to carry yourself with honor. You be a prince, cha-cha. Seriously, I don't like the fact that you went out there, started fighting with that stupid fool they called Onache. How can you be fighting with that pig? To the extent that you have to stain your clothes. It's not making sense, so. You need to package yourself. You need to comport yourself. You don't have composure, and it's not making sense.
I'm trying. Can't you see I've started wearing this thing where they do heat? I've started holding this one from just cause.
Look at the way you are still talking.
So I'm trying. Rome was not built in a day. I will change, I will package, I will upgrade. Don't worry, I will upgrade.
You need to change you. You need to change. This is what you have been saying, you will upgrade, you will upgrade. You need to package yourself very well. You are too local to be a prince. It's just that I needed to be a royal wife. If not, I don't have anything to do with you.
Are you still angry? Relax now, you know I was born and raised here.
No, I'm not angry with you. I'll continue to help you package, because that's why I'm here. I'll continue to help you package. I need to change you. Can you be fighting with that commoner?
My sister can't ride.
What is it, my princess?
Hey! Don't princess me at all. Do not. Look, talk to him. Talk to him because whatever rubbish the both of you are planning will never work except the right thing is done. Else I will spoil it. Nonsense.
Baby, what is going on? Why is she talking to me in that manner?
I'm coming.
Because
My princess! My spirit! You my spirit! Leave me alone! What is wrong with you? You want to kill me? Are you stupid?
I will kill you because you are stupid. Why would you be against me? Eh? FBI! Oh yeah, Alele.
Akachi, don't try this next time.
I say inside the
Do
house.
not try this next time!
Move it!
Leave me alone.
I said move it.
Akachi, leave me alone! Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Leave me alone! What is wrong with you, Ruth? What is your problem, Ruth? Why are you trying to bring problems into this family? Is something wrong with you?
What are problems? Problems! Because I want to find out what you and your husband. Are you being serious?
Really?
Brenda, ask your boyfriend why he's against me investigating my father's death.
FBI, shut up. We have more important issues at hand, so sit your ass one place and rest.
Ruth! Baby, allow her now. Your Highness, allow her, please now.
No, baby. I'll see baby in this situation.
No, please, allow her. Ruth. Okay. Is that what you want to do? You want to disgrace this family?
Yes.
Akachi.
Mom,
Settle.
allow me handle this. Halele.
Deal with her alone.
FBI, oh yeah.
Don't touch me.
FBI, Halele.
I am not living here. Akachi, leave me alone. Leave me alone.
You into her. Take it into her. Into her for me. Into her.
Listen and listen real good. I'm warning you for the last time. Be careful. Be careful around this vicinity, else what will befall you will be greater than you.
Mom, are you hearing what he's saying and you're saying nothing?
Do not call me. Ruth, you don't really know your mother. That is why you are misbehaving. Let me sound this. Let me make it very clear to you. No man born of a woman will ever collect that crown from my son. Not even that your useless stepbrother. So if you feel you can mess around with him, misbehave with him, go ahead and do that. But don't worry. Wait for what will befall both of you.
Can the both of you just stop already? Can you stop? You know me, I will not rest until I find out what killed my father. And as for the throne, it belongs to Clinton. I will not be the one to fight for Clinton, but I will never stop him from doing what is right.
And if you are not careful, what killed your father will kill you. You are too young to be looking for what killed your father. Okoleru helu walogodo, ikukukuo mokolo mogodo, nari.